Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 Transit cargo van, a T350 in Oxford white. It has charcoal black cloth interior, seating for two. The rest is the cargo area. This has a 3.2 liter diesel engine. It also has a trailer tow package with trailer wiring provision, as well as a backup camera, 2 extra keys. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your mirror controls are located here and lighting controls here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, as well as sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages appear. As well, you have a menu that you can toggle through. So there's trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have tow haul here. So when you press this, it'll appear to the left, and then you press it again and out it goes. In the center, you're seeing your display screen. This is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. As well, you have your media choices of AM, FM, as well as satellite radio and CD, and you also have Bluetooth. And so you're seeing your CD player here, and then your options for your volume and so forth. There's your hazard lights, and down below is your climate control. Then you have your AC and max AC. You also have heated front windshield, as well as a 12-volt cup holder. There's a USB outlet, and down below there's the integrated trailer brake controller. You also have a 12-volt outlet just over here. The armrest is very comfortable for both driver and passenger, and you've got a locking glove compartment off to the side, an manually dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are located there, and there's an overhead bin as well. 16-inch wheels, black door handle, and beside the lock you're seeing sort of a cutout, and that is where your fuel cap is located. You have as well in the back here double doors with windows that you can see back out of. You also have your backup camera, which is located just above the top light there, and down below you have a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch. When we want to open up the back, all we have to do is open the handle, and you can see it's locking. So we open the door to the right, and then there's a handle to the left. We just open that one up, and inside there's lots of room. There's tie downs all throughout. There's a step to get in on that sliding door on the passenger side, and up above there's lighting. Easily slide the rear passenger door open, and you'll notice there's a grab handle. There's also a step making it easier to get in. The front seats slide forwards and backwards. You're seeing the tie downs as well as the lighting up above. This is just giving you a different view, and you can see out the back there. Black trim, privacy glass in the window and the sliding door, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.